Good day everyone, I'm Associate Professor Dr. Chia Po Wai. I'm delighted to welcome you to the project paper course FAS 5999. This course is designed to guide you through the process of preparing your final research project paper, which showcase your ability to plan, conduct and present meaningful academic research. You will learn how to structure a comprehensive report of 10 to 13,000 words, ensuring that your work meets academic standards while reflecting your own ideas and findings. Along the way, you will receive guidance from your project supervisor in designing and shaping your reports. You will also prepare your final project presentation, which allows you to share your research outcomes confidently with others. In addition, this course emphasizes important values such as conducting research with integrity and responsibility and ensuring that your findings are communicated clearly and effectively. This skill will be invaluable not only for this course but also for your future academic and professional journey. Embark on this interesting project paper course. You will be exposed to 6 course learning outcomes as well as earning 9 valuable credits to contribute to your total credit requirement for the master degree. The 6 course learning outcomes are: Number 1. Demonstrate the ability to analyze research data and interpret research results. Number 2. Summarize a problem statement or related contextual factor in the research project. Number 3. Perform the proposed project and idea scientifically and accurately in presentation. Number 4. Perform the project work in an ethical, correct manner and has a sense of responsibility towards society in the research project. Number 5. Propose the research project that enable technology transfer from output of research project to the industry. And finally, interpret the finding using the multiple statistical and modeling tools. By the end of this course, you will receive the skills and confidence to prepare a complete project paper report and deliver a professional presentation of your research finding. You will also gain experience in working responsibly and ethically with your project supervisor, which demonstrating accountability in how your research contribute to society and industry. Join us on this journey. Together we will make the project paper course a meaningful milestone in your academic pathway, a valuable stepping stone toward future research endeavors, and an opportunity to contribute responsibly to knowledge and society. Thank you.